everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is breakfast for dinner, courtesy of Keto Maria at mariamindbodyhealth.com. We're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, but this one is awesome. We used a Quip protein. It's prime protein, the chocolate flavored one, because we didn't have the plain or vanilla or whatever she used, but they were delicious. So we made chocolate waffles, but whatever flavor of the Quip prime protein you've got, you can use theirs. But anyway, so these were delicious, and we made some bacon and eggs and stuff to go with them. So do whatever you like for your breakfast for dinner, but it is yummy. So hopefully you guys give it a try. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so we're making carnivore waffles today from Maria Emmerich's website, Maria Mind Body Health. So I'll put a link in the description box below to the recipe. We're making 3 times the recipe that she had on there. So we needed 6 eggs that you beat together, which I've already done that, and I used just eggs, so that's 3 tablespoons per egg. So 18 tablespoons of this for 6 eggs. And that's here, and then we're gonna slowly pour in and mix in our dry ingredients to the eggs, so let me tell you what's in that. We're using a Quip Prime Protein. They use the unflavored version. I'm using the chocolate because that's what I have. So the others are gonna be chocolate waffles. And then we're using beef gelatin powder, 6 tablespoons of that, 6 tablespoons of this, 3/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of monk fruit in the raw. It's no carb sweetener. And so we mix that together, and then we're going to slowly pour it into here and mix it together and then put them on the waffle iron. All right, so here's our batter. It's all mixed up. We're going to use 1/4 of a cup in our waffle irons that are already preheated and sprayed. Then I'll show you the finished product. All right, it's done. Chocolate carnivore waffle, yummy, yummy. Enjoy. Happy Monday.